channel. This is Sandra Gutierrez and I am Nomad Stitches. Today I'm going to show you something really exciting that I literally just opened up from the box. I received it like 20 minutes ago and I'm so excited, and it is this little package from KnitPro. This is from their Mindful collection. And so today we're just gonna unbox it and see what they've given me. So they sent this package when I was still in Mexico on holiday because I went to visit my family, and so there was this huge palaver because they were supposed to send it over there, but obviously it was too far and there was some like miscommunication, and they sent it here to England, and obviously I wasn't here to receive it. So then it got sent back to the headquarters, and then when I arrived back, I told them if they could send it back, and they did. And this is such a generous gift from them, and I am so excited. So let's first talk about this box. I mean, how cute is this? Like, I'm always in the search for cute boxes, and even though yes, it has their logo and like the title of it and stuff, I think it's such a cute little box, and like I would definitely have it in my closet with, you know, whatever. I mean, look at this. How cute is that mandala? So yeah, should we open it up and see what's in it? And after I do this, I'll probably be casting on with whatever it is that's in here, and I'll do a little review about what I think of working with these tools. All right, let's open it up. All right, so this is the box. It says to be mindful is to be in the moment, and I love that. All right, let's see what's inside. So this is the case that I got. I mean, how cute is that? It's a lovely bag. It comes with some straps. So this is my first time opening this up, by the way. Comes with these cute little zippers, and you can put the straps on this to carry it around. How cool is that? Whoa! Look at all these goodies, you guys. All right, so we have some needles. 1, 2, 3. Oh, these are double pointed needles. All right, I'm a big fan of them. Oh, okay, interchangeable circular needles, but they're tiny ones. Oh, super useful. And these ones are quite small as well. That's great. What is this? A retractable tape measure. Oh, I love these. Oh, look at that. Oh, you guys, this is so sturdy. It's quite heavy, and like it won't get lost. You know, it's so lovely. And then this is stitch markers. Ooh, okay. They're chakra stitch markers. Okay, so these are the 7 chakras. And here they are. Oh, wow. Look at these. They're so cool. I think this is awesome because while you're working, you can like say the things like, I understand, I see, I communicate, I love, I create, I feel, and I am. How lovely is that? Wow. What else have we got in here? These are more stitch markers. A package of 100 different ones. I think these are all plasticky ones. Oh, look at that. Big ones, little ones, crochet ones. Wow, this is lovely. More crochet ones. I mean, needle gauge. Oh, a metal one. Any more stitch markers. And look how cute these little pouches are. Look at this, guys. Wow. This is the US sizes, and this is the millimeter sizes. I'm a millimeter girl. Wow, lovely. And what else we have? A swivel cable. Oh, these are great for trying on clothes. I love that they have different sizes. So there's a 40 centimeters, 50 centimeters, 80 centimeters, and 60 again. You can never have too many of these. And oh, some normal needles. You know what? I don't remember the last time I used these, but now I want to. Okay. Oh, Okay, wooden darning needles. I don't think I've ever used a wooden needle. How cool are these? I mean, I love that sound. It's like an instrument. Wow, these are super cool. Here I have row counter. Look at that. Awesome. Okay, what's in here? This is Gratitude Said stainless steel interchangeable needles. I think this is it. The one I got. Yay, I'm excited. Wow, look at this, guys. This puppy is beautiful. I love it. I just think this mandala that they've chosen is amazing. Okay, comes with my needles. And they each, okay, this is so cool. So they're each engraved with an affirmation. So explore, breathe, dream, rejoice, exhale, believe, peace, grace, serene, inspire, balance, and awake. How cool is that? It's like while you're working, you can remember to do those things. And then it comes with cables and another gauge and more stitch markers. Wow! Needles. I feel like a little girl. I'm so giddy. Oh, and stoppers. How cute are these? Oh my god, I love these. I really need stoppers whenever I knit in my house because if my girls ever get a hold of my things, those stitches are coming off. Okay, I think this has to be the winner of the whole thing. It's amazing. And again, it comes with a really cool little baggie, which can also serve as a project bag. How cool is that? Okay, so this is all of the collection. So you can see all the things that you can get and all the different characteristics. I love how pointy they are. Oh, I cannot wait to cast on, you guys. And then let's talk about this guy. What? How pretty is this? I'm gonna make something pretty. It totally matches the collection, doesn't it? I mean, the colors are great. Such a nice green. And then, I mean, come on. Look at this bag. How great is this? Well, I'm gonna be having a lot of fun today. I hope you enjoyed it, and check out all the links in the description below. Have a great day. Bye-bye.